In this question, you're asked to prove that the value of this determinant is equal to 1 without using actual expansion. That is, you have to use the properties of determinants. So how do we solve this? So the usual trick is to make as many elements in a row or a column into zeros. So you have 2 here, you have a 3 here. So what I try to do is, using this one, I'll try to make these 2 elements as zeros. So row 2 tends to row 2 minus 2 times row 1. I'll multiply row 1 with 2 and I'll subtract it. And row 3 tends to row 3 minus 3 times row 1. So I'll multiply this row with 3 and I'll subtract it from this. So if I do this, these 2 elements are going to be zeros. Hence, the determinant will become fairly easy. So what does this determinant become? So these 2 are row transformations of type 3. So these row transformations does not change the value of determinant. So the determinant will be same as the first row is not changing. First row is not changing. So what happens to the second row? 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 plus 2p. Minus 2 minus 2p. So 2p and 2p gets cancelled. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 plus 3p plus 2q minus 2. Right? Minus 2 minus 2p minus 2q. So 2p and 2q are getting cancelled. I'll just show the calculation. So 1 plus 3p plus 2q minus of 2 times this. That is 2 plus 2p plus 2q. So 2q and 2q gets cancelled. 3p minus 2p is p. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So you have p minus 1. P minus 1. Next, the third row is becoming row 3 minus 3 times this. So again this becomes 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So 6 plus 3p minus 3 minus 3p. So these 2 are getting cancelled. 6 minus 3 is just 3. And 1 plus 6p plus 3q minus of 3 times this. 3 plus 3p plus 3q. So 3q and 3q gets cancelled. So 6p minus 3p is 3p. And 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So this determinant is exactly equal to this determinant. Now one column has 2 elements as zeros. So I'll expand this determinant now with respect to the first column. So you get determinant is equal to 1 times 1 into this, that is 3p minus 2 minus of 3 times p minus 1, that is 3p minus 3. 3p and minus 3p gets cancelled. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So hence value of this determinant is equal to 1. Thank you.